In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up photos from your computer to Google Drive on Windows. By the end, your pictures will automatically upload to the cloud so they're safe, organized, and available across your devices. First, open your web browser and head to google.com/drive/download. This is the official download page for Google Drive tools. Scroll down until you see the section called Sync Your Desktop with Drive. Then click Download Drive for Desktop. Choose the Windows option if prompted. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file, which may appear at the bottom of your screen or in your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You can usually accept the default settings. Windows may ask for permission to make changes. Go ahead and allow it. The setup only takes a minute or two. After installation, open Google Drive for Desktop. If it doesn't launch automatically, you can find it from the Start menu by searching for Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account to connect the app to your cloud storage. Make sure you use the account where you want your photos to live, and ensure you have enough storage space for your library. Now look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of Windows. Click the small Google Drive icon. If you don't see it, click the arrow to show hidden icons. In the Drive window, click the gear icon to open Settings, then select Preferences. This is where you choose what to back up from your computer. Under the My Computer section, click Add Folder. Navigate to the folder that contains the photos you want to back up. This could be your Pictures folder or any custom photo directory you've made. Select that folder. On the next screen, make sure the option labeled Sync with Google Drive is turned on. This tells Google Drive to continuously back up that folder, so any new photos you add later will upload automatically. Click Save to confirm your choices. That's it. Your photos will start backing up to Google Drive. The first upload may take some time, depending on your internet speed and the size of your library, so it's normal to see progress over a while. Keep your computer powered on and connected to the internet during the initial upload. You can continue using your PC while Drive works in the background, and you'll see status updates from the system tray icon. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.